Hey guys, it's Hannah here with another video, and we have a very exciting video for you today. I'm here with Thomas, my brother, here in Slovakia, and we got some exciting products. So we have the Z Flip 3. Here we go, guys. This is the main, what we want to show. I'm gonna show you every size. It's okay, it's fine. Because we want to show you it's brand new. We're just gonna open it up. And this product's, for me, it's like, I want to say one of the best products of the year still. So check what it does. So first we'll leave the phone to the side. Let's see what's inside. So it doesn't come with much. It's just practically the paperwork, and you got a SIM ejector right there. And then if you open it up, you should have just a cable, a charging cable. There is no charging brick. There's no power brick. It's just the charging cable from USB-C and USB-C on both sides, and a quick start guide, and that's it. That's all you get. Obviously the phone, we're gonna open that up. Look, beauty of it. Yeah, here we go. I love that sound. Wow. Look at this, guys. And this will be its first fold. Let's fold it in half. Look at that. And I just want to bring this guy in just to compare. This is the fold. This is the flip. People confuse it. Flips in a smaller position like this, you see? And then this is the size difference between that and that. So it's definitely, you know, you see the size difference. So some people are gonna prefer this over that, but you know, we're gonna talk about a little bit of the difference. And let's see if we could turn it on. We have not set this up yet, so obviously we will pause the video and make sure, as you see, it's working. Samsung logo. So perfect. We're gonna set this aside. Once we set it up, we're gonna play around with it a little bit more. Let's see what else we have going on here. We also have, oh, nice. So this is just, by the way, it's a double-side tape, because a lot of this flip and fold phones, you might need extra tape if you're changing your cases. So for example, we have a case right here. We are using Spigen. Spigen is a really good brand. Even I was talking to a Samsung representative, and they were mentioning that they recommend Spigen over like this Samsung case. So this is a Samsung case right here, and we have a Spigen case here. And the reason why you need these double-sided tapes right there, you see them, these right there, because it's an unusual phone, right? It folds. So you're gonna need some protection to put the tape. You see where it says removable? Wow, and this is amazing because it covers the hinge. It has hinge protection. This case, as you see, does not have hinge protection over for this case. So that's really, really cool. All right. And yep, that's the Spigen Z Flip 3. It's actually the touch armor. Tough armor. Thank you for the correction, Thomas. Tough armor. So we'll link everything down below so everybody will know what products we have in front of us here for sure. And let's go, what else do we have there? And also, we were able to get the Buds Pro for free. That was included in the sale through the Samsung website directly. They always have different promotions, so always look out. What I've noticed is Samsung has been doing these promotions directly on their website versus carriers. All right, and then we're opening up the Buds Pro here. Look at this. So let's see what it comes with. We got, looks like some just startup guide. It looks like that's the main, yep, just probably some papers with warranties and things like that. Nothing special. It's just you know, these are some quick start guide of what to use right here. And yeah, how to set it up. And I believe we have the charger here. Again, there's no power brick. There's only the, I believe, let's take a look. It's USB-C to USB-A in this case. You see here, it's actually A to C, where the phone here is C to C. Just to, you know, we always want to move forward, I guess, with all the cables being C to C. And then here are the butts. Wow. So maybe we could demonstrate one of them so you guys could see. I think this is the right, just to see if how it looks like. Guys, just for a little design perspective, if you're looking at this versus the this is the left, right? So let's put it here for a perspective of the earbuds. Your earbuds, you got these things sticking out, where this is more like a flush design. So I think they're pretty cool. So we'll definitely set these up for sure. And we will also get back to you and tell you about the software for it. All right, so we actually set up the phone, and we want to show you a couple of cool tricks that it could do. So it actually has this outer screen that you can see your notifications. You could actually add widgets to it. You could play your music. You could do a time stop. And as you see, you could add widgets, and you could actually take a selfie, not using the front facing camera, but the main cameras, video, photos. You could even switch between cameras. You could do the wide angle. So that's really, really cool. And you could just take a picture just by tapping, there you go. That's how it is. And then when you open the phone, so a cool thing about this phone, you could actually see what happened here. As soon as you bent the phone, it became like you could use it for multitasking. So you could see something down here and up here. And the other thing I want to show you guys is the wireless charging. You could actually wirelessly charge these earbuds with this phone. So you just go to the settings, and if you don't find it, you could always add it. But here it is. So I'm going to show you guys here. And by the way, these are the Samsung Buds Pro. And if you see, there it is. The light is on, so it's charging. Okay, so the next thing I want to do here, guys, is you see this case. We want to put this case, but because these phones are foldable, they actually have stickers you see all around. They want to make sure the case is secure. So, and that's why we bought even extra if you ever want to remove the case and put, and they actually give you extra stickers in the box. But let's do it. So let's do, you see, there's a side one. Let's put this down. There's this one. There's that one. I have to remove all of them first. Perfect. So you just remove this one. You remove this one. This one. I know it's like a lot of stickers, but not all cases, by the way, have that many stickers. This one happens to have a lot. So they're all like stuck to me now. So I got this microfiber. You could just clean up the case before you put it in here. Make sure the case is nice and clean. You know, just dry. You don't want to have it wet. So you could put it in. It tells you to put it in this way first, and then you squeeze the side of this like that. And then you could put this in. Again, same thing. You wedge the sides. And what it tells you to do is put pressure where the stickers are. You gotta put pressure, so that way it could just stick to the case. That's it. And now, there you have it, guys. Again, what's cool about this, it protects the hinge. Where this case is a Samsung case, it does not protect the hinge. You see here, it actually protects it. That's really, really cool about the Spigen cases. And there you have it, guys. Thank you for watching. And if you have any comments, concerns, just put it down below, and we'd love to answer all your questions. Thank you for watching.